The human-made device that can lift 50 tons with ease is not a giant robot, but a surprisingly simple machine known as the hydraulic press plate. This hydraulic press plate is a marvel of engineering that can exert forces of up to 50 tons, making it a crucial tool in various industries. To understand how it works, let's start with the basics. The plate itself is essentially a flat, rectangular surface made of metal. It's typically mounted on a sturdy base and connected to a hydraulic cylinder, which is responsible for the plate's movement. When the cylinder is activated, it pushes the plate down, and the force is transferred to the object placed on top of it. But that's not the strangest part. The real magic happens when the plate is combined with other mechanical devices to achieve incredible feats. Imagine a situation where a massive object needs to be lifted or moved, and the only feasible option is to use a hydraulic press plate. This phenomenon occurs when the plate is attached to a series of levers and pulleys, allowing it to distribute the force evenly across the object. For centuries, humans have been using mechanical devices to lift and move heavy objects, but the hydraulic press plate takes it to a whole new level. The plate's ability to exert such immense forces is due to the hydraulic cylinder, which uses the principle of Pascal's law to amplify the pressure. Pascal's law states that a change in pressure at any point in a confined fluid is transmitted undiminished throughout the fluid and to the walls of the container. In the context of the hydraulic press plate, this means that the pressure applied to the fluid in the cylinder is transmitted to the plate, allowing it to lift massive objects. But wait until you hear what comes next. The hydraulic press plate is not just limited to lifting objects. It can also be used to compress materials. When the plate is used in conjunction with a press, it can compress materials like metal, plastic, or even glass to incredibly high densities. This process is crucial in various industries, such as manufacturing, where materials need to be compressed to achieve specific properties. The hydraulic press plate is an essential tool in these industries, allowing manufacturers to produce high-quality products with precise specifications. In addition to its industrial applications, the hydraulic press plate has also found use in scientific research and testing. Scientists use the plate to simulate extreme conditions, such as high pressures and temperatures, to study the behavior of materials under these conditions. The plate's ability to exert such precise control over the pressure and movement of the object makes it an ideal tool for scientific research. But that's not all. The hydraulic press plate has also found use in various safety applications, such as in the construction industry. The plate is used to test the strength and stability of building materials, ensuring that they can withstand extreme forces and pressures. The hydraulic press plate is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of mechanical devices to solve complex problems. By understanding how this device works, we can appreciate the incredible feats of engineering that are possible with simple yet powerful machines. This phenomenon occurs when the principles of physics and engineering are combined to achieve remarkable results. In conclusion, the hydraulic press plate is a fascinating device that showcases the incredible capabilities of mechanical devices. Subscribe for more incredible stories about the wonders of science and technology, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the hydraulic press plate. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.